It comes standard with 50 feet of hose, but can be extended to 150 feet of hose. So as you see here, this will pump out anywhere where there's an issue, water damage. And you know, water damage, if you don't deal with it right away, it exponentially gets worse. So your shop vacs, you're not going to do the job. They're not made for it. They're just a general vacuum. And here, that was about halfway full. This is about a 30-gallon tank, or 15 gallons. You did about all of that in about 15 seconds. You're able to pump all of that, get that out. Now, sometimes, let's say you do the long hose upstairs, out the window to a drain outside. This will make your life so much easier. And voila. So you can do all that, pump, everything's taken care of. 60 gallons a minute. Makes everything easier. So this is now offered in the waxy lineup. It's called the Attix 19. And then come right over here.